A is for ant. B is for bear, and B is for buffalo. C is for camel, and C is for cat. C is for cow, and C is for chimpanzee. D is for deer, and D is for dog. D is for donkey. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe, and G is for goat. G is for gorilla. H is for hippopotamus. H is for a horse. H is for hyena. K is for kangaroo. L is for leopard. L is for lion. M is for monkey. O is for ox. P is for penguin. P is for fig. S is for shahodi. P is for puma. R is for rabbit. R is for rat. R is for reindeer. R is for rhino. S is for sheep. S is for snake. S is for squirrel. T is for tiger. W is for wolf. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.